Good thoughts precede good deeds, and great deeds precede success. So friends, welcome to the channel Learn English and GK, and today we are going to know some valuable good thoughts for the student. So let's see. Before that, I request to you, please subscribe my channel, share the video and like the video. Thank you.
Take good care of the environment. Our life depends on it.
Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Do what is right, not what is easy. Action is the fundamental key to success. Slow and steady win the race. Don't lose hope. You will win. Practice makes man perfect. Our life is what our thought is making, and future is created by what we do today. A person without ambition is like a beautiful worm. It can creep, but it cannot fly. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until the good is better and the better is best. Patriotism means to have great love and respect for your motherland. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Tomorrow is too late. Yesterday is over, and now exactly the right moment to start. Dream is not that which you while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Work hard, be kind and amazing. Things will happen. I forgive but never forget, because I never want to be hurt the same way twice. Hope but never expect. Look forward but never wait. Sun is alone, but it still shines. Life is beautiful. One day, 1 hour and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. Avoid fights, angriness, and speak loudly to everyone. If you like video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.